This video will walk you through the process for filling out the North Carolina Stronger Connections Grant Round 2 for PRC 0145. The application for the Stronger Connections Grant will be due on or before March 31st by 5 p.m. Chief Administrator approved. This is very important that the application be submitted to Chief Administrator approved status to be considered for review. Who may apply for the Strong Connections Grant Round 2? All LEAs who did not receive funding during Round 1 of the Strong Connections Grant competition are eligible to apply for this funding. All awarded LEAs will receive an award not to exceed $200,000. The encumbrance date for these funds will be September 30th, 2026, with a standard liquidation of December 31st, 2026. This is how you will fill out the application. You will go to your funding applications page for fiscal year 2025. You will go down to your competitive funding applications section and find the tab for the Stronger Connections Grant PRC 0145. Click on the tab. It will bring you to the sections page. This is a very simple application to complete. Move down to the related documents section. Click on the related documents. This will take you to this section where all the documents that are required for submission will be. The first link you will find, obviously, is the application link. You will click on that link to access the application. Once you have completed the application, you will move down to the proposed budget spreadsheet. This spreadsheet will be used to show how you intend to utilize the funds if awarded the Strong Connections Grant. The next form that you will need to upload is the debarment certification. This needs to be signed by your designated supervisor, such as a superintendent for a district or a board chair for a charter or lab school. As with any other consolidated funds, you will need to consult with your private schools. For charters and lab schools, this will not apply. For districts, if you are awarded the funds, you must consult with your private schools as you would your consolidated funds. If there are no private schools who choose to participate, you will still have to upload the consultation forms indicating that you have no private schools who wish to participate. The next part is if you are partnering with an external organization. This is where you will upload a contract or a memorandum of understanding with that organization. There is no template provided. You will just submit or upload the template or the contract or memorandum of understanding that you developed between you and the external organization. If you have any questions about completing this application or submitting this application, please do not hesitate to reach out to me, Timothy Dryman. Timothy.Dryman@dpi.nc.gov.